Lumens, your success, our focus.
This quick start video shows you how to use a Lumens USB camera with OBS Studio software. We'll guide you through this simple process to help get you started. First, let's review the equipment you need. You can use any Lumens USB camera, which you plug into the computer that's running OBS. Adding the camera in the OBS application is straightforward. Open OBS on your computer and select Video Capture Device from the Sources dialog box. Rename the source and click OK. Select the camera device and click OK. You're all done. If you have any questions, scan the QR code or go to Lumens website. You can reach out to Lumens technical expert anytime. For more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website at www.mylumens.com.